Good morning. I am Dr. Renata Rawlings-Goss, the co-executive director of the South Big Data Innovation Hub, whose mission is to accelerate partnerships between industry, academic institutions, and government when it regards data and how we can use it for the public good. DataUP is a program that we've launched in 2018 after speaking to over 60 institutions that are trying to either have data science programs or start up data science programs for their students and faculty. So one of the things that came out of it is a discussion around training and how to increase the amount of data science that is being taught at academic institutions, large and small, around the nation. So I run a series called Keeping Data Science Broad as a part of this national discussion around how do we work together to increase data literacy across the country. So this year, 8 institutions were awarded, and we are running these trainings at these institutions where there's 2 days of intensive work to look at learning a new skill in data science, such as Intro to Python or R, which are coding languages, or specific data science courses in a particular topic. So using data coding tools like R for ecology specifically, or for social science specifically, or for geospatial data. And so this summer we are running these particular 2-day workshops. Then faculty or permanent staff will be coming to Atlanta, where I am at Georgia Tech, to be able to do a Train the Trainers course so that they can be equipped to run their own at their institutions in 2019. So that'll happen later this fall. So we congratulate and really hope to expand this network so that these types of courses can be offered more often and can be offered by on-site faculty and as well as permanent staff, so that they can be a regular part of the academic experience at institutions, specifically community colleges, minority serving institutions, as well as 4-year liberal arts colleges that may not be as research focused, but still will have the students of the future and the literacy needed of the future.